No, they're fine. All right. That's a deep hole.
Yeah, that's totally going over your head.
That's my 7-foot ladder.
How do you even get back up?
I got a ladder. I got a little skinnier one here. Here's a 4-foot ladder. So mine has a power wire that goes all the way down to where the looks like the attachment is. Pretty deep down there. Definitely dry and can't breathe. We're gonna jump down quick and show it to you. Alright. I guess I'll need 5 ladders in here. So this is my voltage coming in. And this is what I got coming out. There's actually a box on the side of this pipe down there. And then there's that little pipe coming out the side. Looks like 1 inch. And looks like it goes straight down. I haven't found that or the power yet, but I'm going to find it eventually. But that's me standing up right now. Looking down the narrow pathway.